Here's how I made these super cute ornaments using cookie cutters I got off Amazon. First, roll out a slab of clay slightly thinner than your pinky. Once the clay has stiffened a little bit, you can press the outer cookie cutter shape into the clay. Next, press the inner part of the cookie cutter into the outer part of that cookie cutter and release your cutout. Try to make sure you press hard so that the lines are deep. This way the slip can really settle into the crevices. Once the cutout is leather hard, you can put the ornament wire into your clay. This ornament hardware is meant to be fired at high temperatures and will not melt in the kiln. I've posted a link to all the materials I'm using below in the description. Next, you can apply your first layer of blue slip into the crevices created by the inner mold of your cookie cutter. Try to really fill it in. Once the slip settles and is no longer wet, you can sponge off the excess blue slip. I like to repeat this part of the process one more time and then sponge off again. Once it looks how you want, you can let them dry. I like to flip them occasionally while drying so they dry flat and don't warp. At this part of the process, I like to add finishing touches and fill in any spots if needed. When they're bone dry, you can bisque fire them. Once out of the bisque fire, just apply clear glaze and fire again. When they are totally fired and glazed, add string to the ornament hardware and enjoy.